Welcome back, young builders. Today we are learning how to make a paper angle support, also called an L shape. This is a very strong part we can use in our dollhouse to hold walls, floors, or furniture in a place. And later in our robotics projects, the same idea will help us build strong frames for moving machines. Let's start building. For building an angle support, I'm going to use this little piece here, and what we do in the beginning, we have a guideline that will guide us to stay straight when we are working. Okay, so I am just going to create a line here. Okay, and along this line I want it, I can use, this time I'm using this, I'm just going to put this one on 8 here, on the other side it is on 8 as well. Okay, this is another way to draw a straight line. Okay, here I have. Okay, so this is 90 degree, you can check it. All right, the next thing I want a, let's say, half centimeter piece. I'm just going to create two half centimeter pieces, so I'm just going to create in a go. Okay, here I have, I'm just going to put the mark here, and here, and on half centimeter. Okay, so I am just going to draw the lines here. Okay, and I'm just going to cut the extra piece. Always lock. Okay, and I want to catch this extra piece as well. Okay, this was already folded, so I don't have to draw a marking here, but I can, if I don't have, I will just keep this one here, put my ruler in the center, make sure they are straight, and put a little mark here, not to cut it, just to place this mark. Okay, so you see two angle like things are here, but these are not going to support anything. If I want to put something, a shelf on this one, let's say this one I want to put on wall and put a shelf on it, it will not stay. So what I need an extra support between these two, a triangle shape. Okay, so they stay together and they stay still. What I do, I am just going to take this paper again, and this time I want to draw I'm just going to cut a piece, and I want to cut it, the extra piece. Okay, it's the same thing here, but this time I want a square, exact square. Let's say I want a 1 centimeter square. Okay, and 1 centimeter on this side as well. Okay, I have a square here of 1 centimeter 1 centimeter. I'm just going to draw a line here from this corner to this corner. Okay, make sure it is touching the corner. Here we have. Okay, and next thing I do, I'm just going to cut it into 2 pieces. Remember, it should be a perfect square. Okay, alright, now I have these 2 things here with me. Okay, so these are on 90 angles. If you can see, this angle is 90 degree. So what I do, I'm just going to take one of these, I create it, and I'm just going to put this one in between. Okay, and glue it. Let's glue it. Take this piece with tweezers, put it in here. Okay, I will have to wait till it is dry. Remember, it should be touching the both things, both sides. I will wait till it is dry. Okay, now I have glued this and it is dried. You can see it. Okay, this is a perfect angle and it can support something. If we are going to put something on it, it is going to support it. I'm just going to show you in a minute. These are the 2 I made. So what I do, I have, let's say this is our wall. This is our wall, and I have drawn a line, and with this I want to put these 2 shelves here like this. So I have put this before because it will need a little time to dry up. I am just going to show how to do it. Just I'm going to glue it and place it here. Okay, and I'm going to do this same thing for the other shelf. Glue it here where I want to put my shelf. Okay, this is how I put them here. Okay, you can see these. So I have already glued 2 pieces here, and what we can do, let's say this is our wall, and you can see that on this wall I want a shelf. This is my shelf. I'm just going to put it here. Okay, this shelf is not going to hold by itself because it is too light, so I will have to get a little help with glue. Just a little will do, and I am going to put this shelf on it. Okay, and you can see I got my angles and I got the shelf over there, and in that shelf I can put any heavy thing if I want. It will hold it. With these angles I can hold heavy things on the shelves. There you have it, your own paper angle sport. Simple, light and strong. Try making a few more and see how they can hold your dollhouse parts together. In the next lesson, we will make another building part that will take us one step closer to building real robots. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with your friends so they can build along with you. See you in the next workshop.